Hi everyone, so today I'm going to show you how to change your Cinelog 35 HD performance. This one is a Caddx Caddx Vista Air Unit. So this is digital and it gives good video transmission in my DJI FPV goggles version 2. And today I'm going to change it into the new DJI O3 Air Unit. And this one records 4K 60 frames per second. So I'm going to remove the camera, remove also the air unit inside here and the antenna. And the good thing about this new DJI O3 Air Unit is you don't need to solder the wirings connected to your flight controller. Instead, it's already built in and you just only have to insert it to the flight controller's port. Okay, so let's do this. All right, so we're gonna start by removing the screws of your camera right here, and the 4 screws of your air unit down here, and we're gonna detach also the antenna from your air unit so that we can pull this out. Okay, so this is your DJI Air Unit. Let's try to check what's inside here. Okay. So we have our air unit and it has your camera already attached to your air unit, and back here the air unit it's actually smaller than your DJI Air Unit on the Vista. And the good thing about this is the cable that will be connected to your flight controller is already soldered, and as you can see the antenna is also attached in your air unit. So I'm going to remove this one. I'm going to unscrew this and remove this one so that I can insert it on your mount here in your antenna. So the camera has 2 screws on each side. Okay, so I'm going to check which one is on the top and watch which one is below. So I'm going to mount it here and change it. Okay, alright guys, so now that we are done removing the screws that mounts your camera and the screws that mounts your air unit, at the same time I remove also the antenna here, so it will be easy for us to remove all the components of your air unit and camera. Okay, so I'm going to remove first your antenna, so just push it out and you can have it. Next is your air unit. So this air unit is mounted on the cover of your Cinelog base, and this cables right here is connected to your flight controller. So it's connected on the port right here, so just put it carefully and you're good to go. There you go. Fast and easy. Okay. Here's your Caddx Vista Air Unit. So here's your antenna. I'm going to connect it here so that it won't be lost. And we are going to replace it with your new DJI O3 Air Unit. Okay. Let's mount this first. I'm gonna mount first the camera. I'm going to remove first also the antenna so that we can push it down through the antenna mount. Okay. Right guys, so now that I have removed the old DJI Air Unit together with the camera and antenna, and also the cable connected to their flight controller, I now installed the DJI O3 Air Unit. So first things first is I inserted the cable for your antenna and mounted it here in your air unit. Then inserted also the cable for your camera on the front portion of your frame. Now I made sure that the antenna cables are attached, and I'm going to install the air unit beside the receiver. So our cover here has bolts for the mount of the old air unit. I'm going to remove these bolts or screws so that I can cover this new air unit on your O3 air unit. Okay? Alright guys, now we are done installing your new DJI O3 Air Unit in our Cinelog 35 HD Performance. So as you can see, I installed the camera right there and tilted it like 35 degrees, the air unit inside it, and installed also your antenna. It's good that the antennas are flexible. So I'm going to link it with my TBS crossfire, and also link my O3 Air Unit with my DJI FPV goggles version 2. Alright, so let's fly it now.